Lesson 27. Level B1. B1 plus. Present perfect continuous. 4-2. Story 1.
Christopher, 37 years old, Norway. I have been writing my first novel for 3 years. I have always wanted to write a book, but I admit that it is way more challenging than I expected. I have been trying to think of at least one new idea a day to continue the story, but I've been experiencing serious writer's block for the past 8 months. I've been typing 200 or 300 words every day, and I've been deleting them right away. My friends have been encouraging me to keep writing for months, but it's easier said than done. I'm frustrated because none of my ideas seems exciting enough. Perhaps I shouldn't be such a perfectionist, but I want my book to be a bestseller and not just another boring romance for teenagers. I hope that the writer's block won't last forever. I've been dreaming of publishing a book for over 25 years, so I can't just give up now.
Story 2.
Ernestine, 86 years old, USA. I've been going to the gym for 30 years. Many people will probably say that I started exercising late. I was 56 years old when I stepped into the gym for the very first time, but I've been trying to prove to everyone that it's never too late to begin doing something new and find your passion. I've been spreading positivity and motivating people for the past 3 decades, and there is nothing I enjoy more than doing that. I'm not just a regular gymgoer now, I'm a bodybuilder. The oldest professional bodybuilder in the world. I've been participating in bodybuilding competitions for almost 25 years. I haven't been doing it for the medals or any other awards, I've been doing it because it's been bringing me joy and keeping me healthy. I have also been coaching others as a personal trainer for many years. I love my job and I love my life.
Story 3.
Olivia, 28 years old, Argentina. My sister and I have been renovating our apartment for the past year and a half. We have been arguing quite a lot in these 18 months because we have different tastes. I'm really into bright colors and modern design, while she prefers pastels and vintage styles. We have been trying to find a compromise for months, but we have been clashing most of the time. To be honest, it has been exhausting. We have been choosing paint colors for the kitchen and bathroom for 3 weeks. We've been discussing it over and over again, and I'm tired of these conversations at this point. I think I'll let my sister have the last word on this, and I'll choose the furniture for the living room. Neither of us can afford to buy or even rent a separate apartment right now, so we have to combine our ideas somehow and work on this renovation together.
The end of Lesson 27.